Are you tired of facing penalties due to misfiled customs forms? Discover how to master the Item General Duty Calculator on WebOC and avoid costly mistakes. The Item General Duty Calculator on WebOC helps you calculate duties and taxes for imported or exported goods based on Pakistan's customs tariff. First, understand the key fields. The HS code, the numerical code for classifying goods under international trade standards, is crucial. Next, provide a detailed description of the goods. Ensure it matches the HS code to avoid misclassification. Specify the unit of measure, UOM, like kilograms or pieces, and declare the total quantity of goods in the specified UOM. Declare the value of goods in USD, cross-checking against invoices and exchange rates listed by the State Bank of Pakistan. Identify the country of origin, as preferential trade agreements can reduce duty rates. Follow these steps. Enter the HS code, fill in the description and quantity, provide the unit value, and review all entries before submission. Stay compliant with relevant tax laws like the Customs Act, Sales Tax Act, and Income Tax Ordinance to avoid penalties. By adhering to these best practices, you can ensure compliance, avoid penalties, and expedite customs clearance, boosting trust in Pakistan's customs system.